This is Venetian Grove, a master plan community here in Vero. We're gonna go take an entire tour of this community and show you what you can get here, pricing, cost of ownership, some crazy incentives, and something that you guys are gonna love, no CDD. Let's go. So Venetian Grove is a new master plan community here in Vero. And one of the things that I think is really popular, and I know a lot of you are excited about, is there's no CDD here. A lot of these master plan communities that are being built here on the East Coast that have lots of amenities are coming standard with a CDD. So we're gonna pop in here and take a quick little driving tour around Venetian so you can get an understanding of what the community layout currently is. And we'll talk a little bit more about what's coming in the future. But right here off to the front, you'll notice you've got townhomes to our right. And then as we turn left right here, this is where we're gonna see the single families. You can see these are the model homes right here. But you've got a variety of homes that you can choose from. Right now, there's about 8 different single family plans that DR Horton is building here in Venetian Grove. You're gonna have the Alex, the Aria, popular models like the Cali. You're gonna have the Elston 2, the Harper, Hayden, and the Lakeside is one of the new multi-gen plans that DR Horton is offering. And that's actually a true multi-gen with a private entrance and a kitchenette. So if you've got extended family, older kids or parents, whatever, and you need a separate living space, that Lakeside's a really popular model. In fact, we're gonna go tour some of these homes in just a little bit. And then you're also gonna have the Robbie as this 8th option for single family homes. And then Venetian is also offering townhomes as well. You're gonna have essentially the San Marco, and it's gonna come in 2 simple configurations. It's either an end unit or an interior unit. They're very identical in terms of the finishes go, or the layout. And the end unit is gonna be maybe like 10 to 12 square feet total smaller, but you're gonna have a couple more exterior windows so that unit's gonna have a little bit more light in it. But as far as the finishes go, and like I said, we're gonna go tour some of these homes, but the finishes here in Venetian are a little bit higher end. If you've been looking at some of the DR Horton homes that are being built in Palm Bay, Venetian's gonna offer something a little bit more standard, which I think is nice. We're gonna hang a right here, but essentially this shrub line that you can see right in front of us right here, this is gonna be the end of phase 1. They're gonna have walking trails kind of scattered right here on the other side. And then the big amenity center is going to be built over there in phase 2. This community is going to have 3 phases. So they're probably going to be building here for a couple more years. So depending on when you're watching this video, this is mid 2026. This is kind of early phases of Venetian. So obviously when you get into communities like this, prices are typically lower up front. We'll talk more about prices here in just a minute. One of the things I do want to point out is, a lot of you ask about our construction. Concrete block construction, I'd say, is the standard for new construction here. But the 2-story homes that DR Horton specifically are building are block construction all the way up. So the 1st and 2nd floor are going to be block construction. A lot of other builders are doing wood frame on the 2nd story. Now, you're not going to have impact windows. You are going to have hurricane shutter standard on every house. But let's talk about what it costs to live in Venetian. So you're gonna have 2 different HOA fees depending on whether you're a single family home or a townhome. The townhomes are gonna come in at $135 a month, and the single family is, believe it or not that much higher. It's $207 a month, and the single family homes are gonna include lawn care. And one of the things that I wanna show you that I kind of observed as we were just taking a drive through the community is the homes themselves seem like they have a little bit more space between them when we're comparing them to other communities like Cypress Bay West and Palm Bay, for example, which this is really I would say a sister community of. The amenity center is going to be very similar. Pricing is a little different when you're comparing Vero to Palm Bay, but you are going to have a little bit more space in between the homes. And again, the HOA is going to do all the lawn maintenance. One of the things that, again, we mentioned earlier is a CDD. There's no CDD here in Venetian. So on a monthly payment wise, that's going to save you anywhere between $150 to maybe $200 a month when you're comparing it to other communities that have a CDD. And if you're wondering about property taxes, a really safe way to estimate your property taxes, even with a homestead exemption. If you're buying new construction here in Vero, if you estimate 1.5% of your purchase price, that's a very fair assessment on what your property taxes are going to be. Now, as far as pricing goes, the townhomes are going to start under $280,000. You can get into a townhome for about $275,000 right now. Again, pricing changes all the time, incentives change all the time. So if you're thinking about new construction, definitely reach out to us. We'll get you the most up-to-date info on all the communities, incentives, and quite honestly too, we'll share some secrets with you on how to get better deals than the builders are going to tell you about. So I've got my contact information, reach out anytime. And pricing on the single family homes here in Venetian Grove is going to start at like $338,000. So you can get into a single family home for under $350,000. And again, we're going to go take a look at one of them here in just a minute. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you stick around. Now, as far as incentives goes, there's some really good incentives right now. Even though interest rates are high, you can get a 4.99 fixed rate for the life of the loan, FHA, VA, conventional. And if you want something a little bit more aggressive, you can even opt for an adjustable rate mortgage. Those are coming in at 3.875 right now. Again, it's an adjustable rate loan. So you really need to understand not how that's going to impact your payment today, but what it's going to be in 5 years. There are some caps on these current ARM mortgages that are being offered in terms of how much they can adjust. So it's really important that you understand that up front. All right, so I mentioned we're currently in phase 1. We're gonna take a quick drive over here to phase 2, which they're starting to do the site development on right now, because this is where the amenity center is going to be built. This is gonna be really the same scale of amenity center that you've seen in Cypress Bay West, or maybe even a Crystal Bay. You're gonna have community pool, fitness center, clubhouse. They're adding pickleball courts, bocce ball courts, playgrounds, and this area that we just passed right here are where the walking trails are gonna be. And again, the unique thing about this community, it's gonna have amenities that are comparable to some of the other master plan developments without the CDD. Now, this home that we're coming up to right here is the Harper, and I'm gonna take you inside and give you a tour so you understand what homes here in Venetian are like. And if you wanna join us for that, you can do that right here. I'll see you there.